Oh yeah. How's it, everyone? So today I'm gonna be working on the LS. We're gonna put a floor in, a trunk in. Excuse the wind. So the plan is to make two sections and cut it right down the middle. I wanted to do a piece here, and a piece in the middle. But really the only structure would be the tire and this beam, the frame piece. So it's going to be strong out here if we go all the way across. So we're going to do two pieces across, cut it down the middle. And we're going to use this cardboard from an old project for a template. So we'll see. I read on some forums that you can cut a piece to fit the whole trunk in one piece, but then it won't fit into the opening for the trunk. So that's why we're going to have to split it. And then we're going to figure out some kind of way to maybe put some bracing in here so we can keep the two pieces together so they don't slide around. So we picked up, or I went to City Mill and got a 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch mahogany. It's supposed to be, I chose it over plywood because it's supposed to be an even strength all throughout because of the even grain patterns and what have you. But the LS didn't come with a trunk floor. And I have before and after pictures, not of the wheel, which is pretty nasty. It's still very nasty, but at least 27 times better. And there's this white stuff. All that was all over the trunk, so I'll try to put some before and after pictures, but let's get into it. Okay, so we got everything marked up and traced. Just did this side. So that will be the top half. Is kind of nice. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom short half of the trunk. And then we're going to cut the longer one for the top half. finished product. Not bad, not bad. The corner's pretty nice. Doesn't go all the way to the end because then it wouldn't be able to fit in the hole for the trunk. So we had to trim it a couple times. And one thing to know for the next time is to get this gap here. Other than that, fits pretty good. Not bad. I mean, it's really only supported here and then on the opposite side here. We decided to go with screws. So we just screwed pieces of wood, cut out the same piece of wood, and then just screwed it right in. We used screws that weren't gonna stick out the top. And so we did 3 of those. 2 on each side, 1 in the middle. Kind of in the recessed gap areas where there would be room. And that's pretty much it. And this is significantly harder to take out with one hand, but there we go. So now I have a hardwood floor, I guess, a physically stiff wood floor to cover up my nasty spare, but I can still get in there if I needed to. It wasn't too bad to make. It would have been a lot easier if we had the trunk carpet floor mat. Just had to do a lot of trial and error. Might change the design in favor of maybe something that's not down the middle with screws, especially if I have some other plans like air in the future. But that's it. Cheers, guys.